Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all you aspiring drivers out there. If you're learning to drive an automatic car, let me quickly break down what those gear letters mean. P stands for park. Use this when you're stopped and turning off the car. It locks the wheels. R is for reverse, for backing up. Make sure you come to a full stop before shifting into it. N means neutral. It disconnects the engine from the wheels. You'll rarely use it, maybe at a car wash or during a tow. And D is for drive. This is your main gear for moving forward. One super important rule: never shift gears while the car is moving unless you're going from drive to reverse after stopping. Shifting while moving can damage your transmission. That's it. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, safe driving everyone.